This is a part 2 video of the RAG that I built. Just to recap a little bit, in part 1, data ingestion process, so I have built a data ingestion pipeline. And now in this video, I'm going to explain how a voice AI chatbot connected to an N8n agent bot will respond to questions about product inquiries coming from the voice AI agent, and the voice AI agent will retrieve product information from a vector store. So this is what RAG is about. So before I go to part 2, I just want to recap a bit on part 1. Now, so what I have built previously on phase 1, this is the data ingestion pipeline that I've built using N8n, and what it does is that I have to manually trigger it. There's data from the data source Google Sheet, which in this N8n node it will extract the data, and then there's an edit fields node which will do the mapping from the spreadsheet 6 columns into 2 columns, and then there will be also a Supabase vector store node which relies on OpenAI text-embedding LLM to convert text into vector. We call it chunking and vectorization. And then finally, there's a data loader node that will package all the chunk data and vectorized data and load it into Supabase vector store. So, and this is how it looks like in the Supabase vector store. Vectorized data is how it looks like. Now, the original data source came from this Google Sheet, where I have IT product accessories like keyboard, mouse, and webcam, monitor, USB hub. So in part 2 now, what I have built is ElevenLabs voice AI agent. And in this voice AI agent, I've set the system prompt that this voice AI agent will behave like a knowledgeable online sales agent that will respond to inquiries and questions about IT products from the store. So here I have used a voice that's a Malay lady, and in ElevenLabs you can choose what's the default audio conversation language, which is English, but you can also select the secondary language, which is Malay. So in ElevenLabs voice AI agent, I've also built a tool call, which is a webhook tool call, and this webhook tool call will make a call, a HTTP post call to this URL, whereby this is the endpoint of the N8n agent. Where I got this URL, it's from here. The ElevenLabs voice agent will call this webhook. So here, when I create a webhook in N8n, it will give me 2 URL. One is a test URL and a production URL. But since now we are in testing, so I'll just copy this and put it into here, which I recopied previously. Now there are some settings to be done to the tool call, whereby in the voice AI agent tool call, we say in the HTTP post, please pass a data string called question, and this data type of this string is an LLM prompt, and here we provide description what this tool call is about. So in this case, when the voice AI agent in ElevenLabs receive speech or audio, it will convert into text using the LLM that was assigned here. This was the LLM that was assigned, which is Gemini 2.5, assigned to this voice AI agent, and that LLM will convert, will understand the text, and the AI voice AI agent in ElevenLabs will convert to text, and then you'll make this tool call to N8n using this URL, and also passing this string of text that was converted from audio to text and pass it to N8n. So when it reaches N8n, N8n receives a HTTP post request, and so the webhook will pass the data field called question. Actually, it's a part of a JSON message in the body text. They'll pass to this webhook, and then there's an AI agent here in N8n as well that is attached to another Gemini model. Okay, so here notice that usually AI agents will need to have a simple memory. I've disabled it because it's not required. The function of this AI agent in N8n is to take the text received from this body.question and make use of Google Gemini chat model to understand what needs to be done in order to respond to the question. And with that, then of course the question will be something about the products being sold, and what products and what prices and so on. So these questions will be passed to the Supabase vector store. Supabase vector store will convert the text question coming from AI agent into vector embedding, so that Supabase can query using the vector. So once the query is done, data is found, the search result from Supabase vector store done, and you respond back to this webhook, back to the caller of this webhook, which is the voice AI agent. Okay. So now the orchestration of agents will start from ElevenLabs AI, because that will provide the fastest response to voice interaction with a user. So I'm going to run it now. Okay. So now we have the voice agent running, and I'm going to run this N8n agent workflow as well. So now it's listening, waiting for the webhook to be called. Okay. So,
hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, apa khabar?
I'm doing great, thank you for asking. How may I assist you with computer accessories today?
Saya nak tanya, ada apa barang yang anda jual dalam kedai anda?
Let me check our product catalog for you. We sell a variety of products including memory such as HyperRAM DDR4 32GB, HyperRAM DDR4 16GB, HyperRAM DDR4 Low Profile 8GB, HyperRAM Pro ECC 32GB, and HyperRAM DDR5 32GB. We also have monitors like the Crystal View Office 24-inch Anti-Glare, Crystal View 32-inch 4K monitor, and Crystal View Budget 22-inch. Additionally, we offer USB hubs such as the Flex Hub Portable 6-in-1 and Flex Hub Pro Docking Station.
Okay, because now I'm running this workflow in a test environment. Upon execution,
are you still there? Do you have any other questions about our products?
It will stop running. So for my next question, I have to run it again. But for production, once it's published,
are you still there? Please let me know if you have any questions or if there's anything else I can help you with.
Run this workflow again. Yes, I'm still here. I'm interested to buy a mouse. Mouse itu berapa harga?
I'm sorry, but it seems we do not have any mice in our current product catalog. We primarily sell memory monitors and USB hubs. Is there anything else I can help you with regarding these products?
Yes. How about...
Great. What else can I help you with today?
How
about what? Please
keyboards?
I'm sorry, but we do not currently sell keyboards. Our main product categories are memory, monitors, and USB hubs. Is there anything else I can assist you with from these categories?
That's all, thank you. So that's the end of part 2 presentation, whereby the voice AI agent is able to respond properly like a salesperson in a computer store. Thank you for watching.